Are you a baker baking bread and bread-related products like buns, scones, rolls, and such products, but you want to produce exactly the same quality like a rotary oven or a convection oven? This deck oven behind me is a special equipment fitted with 3 chambers at the back, which have heating elements and which allow the oven to steam each deck independently of each other, allowing you to produce the same quality like in a rotary oven or a convection oven. My technician is here, Joseph. He will demonstrate to you how steaming works here. So already you've seen we've powered on. This is the temperature control, upper deck temperature, lower deck temperature. This is the special button here fitted to allow you to have the steaming. You can see this is the vaporizer, that round one. So he can press this button and you see the vaporizer is producing the steam. This will definitely impact on your dough to make sure that you produce very shiny, soft, golden brown loaf. We can steam all the decks entirely and see. You can see the vaporizer here and that. So the advantage of this, actually you can see the deck oven gives you further advantage because it allows you to steam the deck that you want. For example, here you are baking cakes. In that case, you will not need to steam the upper deck because cakes do not need steam. But assuming here you are doing buns and rolls and scones, therefore you will only steam the second deck to make sure that you produce very golden, soft brown products. And remember, when you are steaming your product, it should be done immediately after loading it in the oven. Immediately you load your product, after you close this door, then you will press the steam button, and that will immediately impact on the textural characteristics of your product. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and as a baker, you are going to make steps to make sure you acquire this oven, and it will allow you to compete effectively with a person who has a deck oven or a convection oven. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Subscribe below and follow us because more content, exciting content is coming on your way. Thank you.